Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
All of you are fine, right? Nice to meet you all, students. All right, students, wait for your friends to join all together, and then we are going to start. So you know about the class subject. Which subject today we are going to learn?
Math.
Maths. That's right, maths. So all of you having your books with you, students? Okay, students, I want you to take out your books of mathematics, and today we are going to learn about addition and subtraction.
Which page?
Page number 52. Page number 52, mathematics. Did you open your book, students?
Yes.
You ready, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, so today we are going to learn about addition and subtraction. Addition means plus, subtraction means minus. So unit number 2, addition and subtraction. Okay. So before we're going to start, let's have a little bit practice about vocabulary. Okay. So today's vocabulary of mathematics, first one we have addition. So all of you, all of the students know addition, right? While we add the numbers, we plus numbers. So that's we call addition. Okay. So here, like you can see, for addition, we use this sign. It is the symbol of addition, right?
Yes.
So here, like the number given to us here in addition, it's example like 6 plus 8. And this sign represent equal. So it's equal to 14, right? So this is we call addition when we add two numbers, when we plus numbers. So those are addition. Okay. Now, another word of vocabulary we have bracket. You know bracket, students? This is what we call bracket. This is the symbol of bracket. Okay. So if we having a numbers, either addition or subtraction, they are close in the bracket. So those we have to add, either subtract separately, right? So like here you see, we having in the bracket two numbers given to us, that is 18 minus 5. So first here we are going to subtract, then out of the bracket we have addition plus 2. So we having the answer 15. How? Let's see here. 18, when we subtract from 18 5, so we will have number 13, right? So 13, then we are going to add, we are going to plus with 2. So 13 plus 2 become 15. So it's equal to 15. So this is what we call bracket. It's the symbol of bracket. Now, another word in vocabulary today we having carry over. Okay, carry over. You can see here while we do addition. So sometimes we having two numbers, they are more than 10, right? So the additional number we have to write up here, so we can understand and add with the second place values. Like here, for example, you see we have two numbers given to us. Those are 45 plus 36. So if we are going to add these two numbers, so the first we start from here, like from 6 plus 5, the first place, okay, the one place. So if we add like 6 plus 5, they become 11. So we cannot write here right away 11, because 11 then it become 10 place. So what we are going to do, we are going to write 1 here, and the 10 place value we are going to carry over on the 10 place here. So then when we are going to add 10 place, 4 plus 3, so they become 7. And we already have 1 carry over here, so we are going to add that as well. So 7 plus 1, we will have 8. So the answer will become 81. All right, students. So mostly in addition, we are going to have carry over. So we have to find the place, and on top of the place, we are going to carry that. Okay, students, you understand that? How we are going to carry over? All right. Now, our third, we having fourth one we having in our vocabulary, subtraction. Subtraction means when we deduct from one number another number, from one digit we deduct another digit, right, given to us. Subtraction we call that, right? So here this is the symbol for subtraction. Okay, just a slash. This is what we call, this we use as a symbol of subtraction. So here, like the number given to us, that's 7. If we subtract 5 from 7, so we are going to have 2, right? So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So when we minus something, that's what we call subtraction. You understand, students?
Yes.
Any question?
No.
All right, so first we having addition, and it is the symbol of addition, plus, okay. Second we have bracket. For bracket, it's the symbol we use for bracket here. Third one, carry over, right? So carry over, while we are using, while we are adding any number, any digits, so we write up here that we are going to use an addition in the second place. Okay, now Fourth one is subtraction. So minus, and it's the symbol of subtraction. Okay. Now, now here we are going to learn about the patterns in addition and subtraction, how we can use the patterns in addition and subtraction. So it will help us to find the number answer easily. Okay. So here, for example, we have two numbers given to us. Okay. What is 60,000 plus 80,000. So we see here, first of all, we are going to find the place and the place value. So like 60,000 here, if we see what is the place, and the place value. So we can see here, we count like 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So it's all together, it's at the 10,000 place. Similar like that for addition, we having a number that is 80,000, right? So if you look at the place and the value place, the place value, that's we start from right side, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So we have here the place given for the second number, that's also the place and the place value, it's at the 10,000. Now we are going to use the number to find out the pattern. We are going to use the number pattern and to find out the answer. Okay. So first of all, we can look here, we use the place and place values. All right. So here, first, we are going to write down in the longer format. Okay. So the first number, 80,000, we would like to write down in the longer format. So it is in the number, it is the number we have, it is in the 10,000 place, right? So we're going to write like 8, it's a one place, then 80, it's a 10 place, 100, 800, that's in the 100 place, 8,000, that's in the 1,000 place, 80,000 we have here in the 10,000 place, right? Similar, we have like a 6 in the one place, right? Then in the 60, we're having in the 10th place, 600, that's in the 100 place, 6,000, it will be in the 1,000 place, right? So we have 60,000, so we have 10,000 places. So we have both sides here, 10,000 places. Okay. So now, if we are going to add the first places, so those are 8 plus 6 plus 8, we will have 14, right? Here you can see on the right side, 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Then the second place, what we have at the 10 place value, that is 60 plus 80. So we are going to have 140, which means in the pattern, which means 6 tens and plus 8 tens. So we will have total 14 tens, right, students? Students?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we look to the third place, the 100 place. So the 100 place, we having 600 plus 800. So total, when we plus them, both of them, so we are going to have 1400, right? 600 plus 800s. So total we having 1400s. Now, similar like that, the fourth place, we having the 1,000 place, right? So the 1,000 place in the given number, that is 6,000 plus 8,000. So 6,000 plus 8,000 total, we are going to have 14,000, right? here you can see we having 6,000s in the 1,000 place, and we have 8,000s at the 1,000 place. So both together we are going to have 14,000s, right, students? Now come to the 10,000 place, right? So we're having 60,000, right, plus 80,000. So what we are going to have the answer, that is 140,000. You can see here we having 10,000. Like 6 times we having 10,000. Then we having 10,000. So 8 times we having 8,000. So if we both add together, we plus them. So total we are going to have 10,000, right? So we can call in the pattern here, it's like a 10,000, or you can say 140,000. That is the answer what we get from addition of 60,000 and 80,000. So here what we have to note, we have to add the zeros, right? And the zeros we have to put at the end, right? Like we see here, 8 plus 6 plus 8, we're going to have 14. So we're having at the 10th place, in the 10th place value we have 14, right? Then 60 plus 80, we're going to have 140. So 14, and then we are going to add 10 with that. So we're having the number at the place value 1 at the 100, right? Now, similar like that, at the 1,000 place, when we add 800 plus 600, so we're having 1,400. So 14 and 1,400, so 1,400 is at the 4th place, right? 1,400. So we are going to add 2 zeros with that. Then similar like that, when we add 6,000 plus 8,000, so we having total 14,000, right? So 14,000, we having the digit 14, and we are going to add 3 zeros with that. So we will have 14,000. Similar like that, when we add the 10,000 place, the 10,000 place digits given to us, 60,000 plus 80,000. So total we having 140,000, right? Here you can see 14 10,000s. We're having 14 10,000s. So we are going to place here 4 zeros, right? So don't forget to put the zeros. So these zeros actually they can identify the place and the place value. Like the place in 140,000, we having 6 places, right? If we count that, so place 1, place 10, place 100, place 1,000, place 10,000, place 100,000. So 140,000, it will be the answer. Okay, all right, students, you understand that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, all of you understand, students? Any question?
No.
Okay, all right. So let me repeat one more time for you, okay? So it will be easy for you to memorize. So we having number given to us 60,000 plus 80,000. So we have to find out the answer. So what we are going to use, we are going to use the number to find pattern. So the first play with the help of finding the place and the place value. So 6, we are going to expand it like a 6 at the 1 place, 60 with the 10 place, 600 with the 100 place, 6,000 with the 1,000 place, and 60,000, the number given to us with the 60,000 with the 10,000 place. Okay, similar 8 with the 1 place, 80 10 place, 800 100 place, 80 8,000 having 1,000 place and 80,000 with the 10,000 place. So if we add each of them, so 6 plus 8, we having 14. Then we having 6 tens plus 8 tens, right? So we're going to have 14 tens. Then we're having 6 hundreds plus 8 hundreds. So we are going to have 14 hundreds. Similar like that, we're having 6 thousands and plus 8 thousands. So total we're having 14 thousands, right? And the final 10 place we're having 10,000 place we're having 60,000 plus 80,000. So total we have 14 10,000. So which mean 140,000. Okay. So patron addition greatly help in adding numbers mentally. So we are going to have the answer 60,000 plus 80,000 is equal to 140,000. All right, students, you understand that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, here we have a little bit practice. So we having first all of the number here we have given. So the same pattern, we expand that, right? And we put it in the pattern. So here, what we are going to do, we are going to find each sum using pattern of addition and discuss your work with your partner. Okay, so students, can you find out the answer for question number 1 and number 2? We having each of them at the 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000 place. Can you solve that, students?
Okay.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Finished.
Okay.
Me too. Finish.
Okay, students, all of the students, I give you 5 minutes. Give you 5 minutes here. Please practice and write down the answers by addition, the numbers given to us here. Can you do that, students?
Okay.
5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Who finished? Hands up and tell teacher.
เสร็จแล้ว
Answer me. Who not finished?
All right,
Who not
students.
finished?
Finish.
All of you finish, okay?
เสร็จถึงหน้า58แล้ว
Okay, students. So now, number one, who is going to answer me here? 3 plus 2.
5.
5. All right. Now, 30 plus 20.
50.
50. That is the correct answer. Now, 300 plus 200.
500.
Yeah, that's very good. Now, 3,000 plus 2,000.
5,000.
5,000. That is the correct answer. And 30,000 plus 20,000.
10,000.
How many tens thousand we have?
50,000.
We have
3,000.
5 10,000. We have 5 10,000. Okay, so the answer is 50,000. Now, on number 2, 5 plus 6.
11.
11. Now, 50 plus 60.
110.
110.
And we have total how many tens?
110.
No, tens, 10 places. How much we have? 110 in the answer. And 110 we have how many tens? 11 tens, which means 110. Now, 500 plus 600.
1,100.
1,100. That's true. And how many hundreds we have?
11.
11 hundreds. That is the correct answer. Now, 5,000 plus 6,000. We have how many thousands?
11,000.
Exactly. We having 11,000. Now, 50,000 plus 60,000.
1,100,000.
Exactly. So we have 1100,000, right? So you can call 110,000 as well. Now, okay, now let's see. Let's see the answers here. 3 plus 2, 5, right? 30 plus 20, 50. We have 5 tens. 300 plus 200, 500. So we have 500s. 3,000 plus 2,000. We have 5,000s. Now, 30,000 plus 20,000. So we have 5 10,000s. Or you can say 50,000. Similar like that. 5 plus 6, we have 11. 50 plus 60, we're going to have 110, which means 11 tens. 500 plus 600 is equal to 11 hundreds. 5,000 plus 6,000, we're having 11 thousands. And 50,000 plus 60,000. So we are going to have 110,000, right? So total we having, these are the answers. Okay, students, you already write down in your books?
Yes.
Okay, now let's have a little bit more practice, okay? Now, we're having here 9 plus 8. What will be the answer?
17.
17. Right. So 90 plus 80.
700.
100.
90 plus 80. How many tens we have?
100.
We having 17. We having 17 tens. So 170. 17 tens, right? Now similar. 900 plus 800. We have how many hundreds?
700. 20.
Again, please.
100.
Exactly. So we are going to have 1700s, or you can say 1700. So total we having 1700s. Now the place 9000s. We having 9000s plus 8000. So total we have how many thousands?
70.
ผมไม่ได้เขียนนะโพ
So exactly
20,000.
we have here total 17,000s. Right, 17,000. Similar like that.
ผมลบได้แค่นี้ครับครู
90,000. Right, we look to the number. We look to the place in the place value. We have like 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So we have 9,000 plus addition with 80,000. So total we are going to have how many thousands?
7,000.
Total we are going to have 170,000. So we having 17 10,000s. We can say we having 17 10,000s, right? Or either 170,000. Then number 4, we having another 2 digits given to us. They are 6 plus 4. It's the first place. So what will be the answer? 6 plus 4.
10.
10. Exactly, 10. Now, we have the 10 place number given to us. They are 60 plus 40. So we have how many tens?
100.
100 is the answer. In 100, we have how many tens?
You have right.
We having the answer is 100, but if we look to 100, we having 10 tens, right? Total we having 10 tens. So which is 100. Now 100 place, addition of 600 plus 400. We having how many hundreds?
100.
Exactly, we having 10 hundreds, right? So 10 hundreds, which means 1,000. Now number we given to us, that is 6,000 plus 4,000. Let me ask from one by one student. Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
student, let me ask from Dew. How many thousands we have? 6,000 plus 4,000.
10,000
Exactly. So we having 10,000s, right? So 10,000 is the answer. Now 10,000 place number digit number with us, that is 60,000 plus 40,000. We will have total how many 10,000? Let me ask from Fa. Can you answer? 60,000 plus 40,000. How many thousands we have? How many tens thousand we have? Here, can you see that?
10,000.
10,000, right? So which means 100,000 will be the answer, right? So total, we having total 10,000, right? So the answer is 100,000. Now, number 2, find each sum of A and use it to find each sum of B. Okay, so we having given to us A, and we have to find the sum of each A, and we have to find the sum of each B, right? So A, number 1, A, we given number to a digit to us, that is 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 become 1 plus 5 become 6, right? Exactly. Now, if you find the sum and the B of each, so we having here number given to us that's in the hundreds place value, right? So 100 plus 500. So total we will have how many hundreds? Let me ask from Lily. How many hundreds we are going to have? 100 plus 500. Total we are going to have how many hundreds?
600.
Exactly. That is the correct answer. Total we are going to have 600s. Now, number 2. Number given to us 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 become, put, can you answer that? 7 plus 9. Here, 7 plus 9. Seven plus 9 become 16, right? So now on the B, we have to find the sum. We having 100 place digit given to us, right? So we having 700 and